channel. I'm Easy, your friendly professional makeup artist, and I'm going to show you how to do a natural, thicker brows using a tinted brow gel. So if you want to see this video, then keep on watching. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and don't forget to click the bell notification for you to be updated on my new videos. Doon sa mga may TikTok account, meron kasi akong pinost na TikTok videos doon sa account ko where I show kung paano magkilay using a tinted brow gel. So, nung pinost ko siya sa Facebook, ang daming views. And ngayon naman, i-share ko naman dito sa YouTube tutorial kung paano ko ginawa yung mukha siyang tignan na makapal and natural tignan using yung tinted brow gel. So, ito lang ang kailangan nyo. Angle brush na may spoolie. Tapos, any choice of tinted brow mascara. Ako, I'm using Vice in a shade of ash brown. So, bagay ito sa may mga black roots na hindi siya super tapang na tignan. So, anyway, hindi ako sponsored. Binili ko to, matagal ko na siyang ginagamit. And ang ganda yung tignan for everyday wear. Tapos, optional lang yung ganitong classic applicator. This is a smudge brush na flat, na stiff. So, before we start doing the application, number one, when we do eyebrows, we always have to brush up the brows. So, kailangan suklayin natin siya pataas. Dito mo kasi makikita yung natural shape ng kilay mo. Okay? So, itong trick na ito, maganda to sa mga katulad kong kilay na hindi naman sobrang nipis. So, maganda siya for everyday look. So, once na na-brush up na siya, get your favorite brow mascara, no, na tinted, hindi clear. So, lagi mo tatanggalin yung excess. So, remove, nakita niyo yan, may excess, tanggalin mo yung excess. Remove the excess. Tapos, mag-start ka sa middle part ng kilay. So, laging pataas. So, sundan nyo yung natural hair growth. Kung pataas, then pataas yung pag-a-apply nyo. Hair growth ng kilay. Okay? Yung ganitong trick, it also helps to make your eyes bushier, like in my previous video. The link is in the description box. You could also do this, yung model effect na nakalifted ang mga brows natin. Tapos, medyo thick. Ayan. So, sundan nyo lang. Kita nyo ginagawa ko, sundan nyo lang siya. And then, kung ano yung natira sa brush, tsaka nyo ilalagay sa unahan. Ako minsan I do wiggle para talagang nakukut yung yung brows sa unahan. And then after that, you have to dip again sa brow gel. Remove the excess. And ang gagawin nyo naman, kung kanina sa natural growth, ngayon naman against the hair strand. Bakit? Anong purpose? Para mas lalong makapal. The proper way of coating your brow mascara is after ng first coat na on the same hair strands ng eyebrow, kailangan i-coat mo rin yung likod niya, yung back. So, doing this like ganito, oh. Atras mo siya. Yan. Kailangan ma-coat. Nakikita nyo, naku-coat. So, nagkakaroon siya ng natural na effect na nagiging makapal. O, diba? Kita nyo yung difference? Pag malayo. When doing your brows, hindi lang kailangan malapit. Kailangan may times na you have to step back para makita nyo yung properly shaping ng kilay ninyo. Yun yung tip doon. So, nakita nyo yung difference? O, kapal agad, diba? So, suklayin nyo pabalik. Then, use your angle brush to remove the excess. So, i-brush mo siya pabalik. Yan. Pataas. Katulad ng ginawa natin sa last video. And then, kung gusto mong ma-coat pa maigi yung kilay mo, use the angle brush use this angle brush at kumuha kayo ng konting product sa brow mascara and start kayo mag-fill in. Fill in nyo lang siya. And then again, brush it up to remove the excess. Depende kung gaano kakapal ang gusto nyo, pero ako, okay na ako dito. If you have this one, option lang to na itong flat smudge brush, pwede mo siyang ipang-blend. Ipang-blend sa hair strands para ma-feel pa yung kilay. Pero kung wala naman kayong ganito, you could use the ordinary angle brush na lang na ganito. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope na may natutunan naman kayo para ito sa mga sisters na katulad ko na medyo hindi pinagpala sa makapal na kilay, but I hope sharing these tips and professional tricks will change yung game ninyo sa pagkikilay. So, before I end my video, I would like to say thank you to my family, YouTubers of the Philippines, to the admins and moderators doon. Thank you for your support. I love you guys. To the Bloggers Philippines and Usapang Skincare Makeup Tutorial Routine. Thank you for approving my Facebook and YouTube post there. And also, I would be inviting you. I have a private group talaga. It's been created this year bago mag-ECQ. So, the name of my group is Easy Makeup Artist Tips. So, ito yung photo. And I would like to invite yung mga beginner makeup artists na self-taught, yung mga momses natin na gusto matutong mag-makeup application in a professional way. So, my private group is for you. So, I will be also doing there a live Q&A and I will be answering your questions. And at the same time, I will be also posting a professional makeup lessons doon. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and click the bell notification so hindi kayo mamimiss sa aking mga bagong new vlog posts. So God bless us all. Bye!